In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using Weebly. We'll walk through the essential first steps to get your blog foundation in place. Opening your site from the Weebly dashboard, entering the editor, and setting up your design so your posts are clean, readable, and consistent. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to go and what to adjust to make your blog look polished before you add any content. Start by heading to your Weebly account and opening the overview for the site you want to use. The overview is your control room. It shows you the site you're working on and confirms you're in the right place. Take a moment here to double check the site name and make sure you're looking at the correct project, especially if you manage more than one site. This simple pause helps avoid editing the wrong site and keeps your workflow organized. Next, click Edit Site. This opens the Weebly drag and drop editor, where all the visual changes happen. Think of this as your canvas. You'll see your header, navigation, and page sections. Even before you add blog content, picture how a reader will move through your site, where the blog link will live in the navigation, where the main content will sit, and how much space you want around text and images. A clear mental picture now will save you time later. Now, open Site Design. This is the heart of your blog's look and feel. Here you can fine-tune your theme's appearance so your posts are easy to read and visually consistent. Focus on typography first. Choose a clean, legible font for body text, ideally something with a medium weight and comfortable size. Keep line spacing generous to avoid crowding. For headings, pick a style that makes your post titles stand out but stays harmonious with your body font. Next, refine your color palette. High contrast between text and background improves readability and accessibility. Keep links and buttons in a color that's easy to spot but not distracting. If your theme offers presets, select one that aligns with your brand, then make small adjustments rather than changing everything at once. Pay attention to spacing. Adequate margins, padding, and section spacing make long-form posts feel inviting instead of overwhelming. Also, design with mobile readers in mind by selecting font sizes and layouts that scale well on smaller screens. Finally, keep your styles consistent. The same title size for every post, the same link and button styles, and a predictable layout. Consistency builds trust and keeps readers focused on your content. That's it. You've opened your site, entered the editor, and dialed in your site design, laying a solid foundation for a clean, professional Weebly blog. In the next stage, you'll be ready to start crafting and publishing posts with confidence.